एवरीवन, HPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश का इंटरव्यू आपका आ गया है in 2 days, and I wish you all the best. Here are certain questions that you must have a very good revision to, because they are likely to be asked, especially how the interview begins, the general questions. तो सबसे पहले अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लो कि आप क्या बताओगे when you were asked to briefly introduce yourself, focusing on your academic journey. You all know that you are not supposed to tell your name, you're not supposed to tell your academic institutions where you have done your degrees from, nothing about your identity basically. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपने अपने academic journey पे focus करना है. You can start with the most recent qualification, then you can mention any teaching experience that you've had, and you can highlight your specific area of interest in English literature. Keep it under 90 seconds, don't extend it too long, and don't make it too short. Don't let it just last for 20 seconds. That's also very short, okay? And you can end with a hook, a specific interest that might lead them. आपने इंटरव्यू को लीड करना है. आप उनको बताओगे कि यहाँ से मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछो. तो वो कैसे होगा? जब आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन लास्ट में एंड करो, यू कैन एंड विद अ स्पेसिफिक इंटरेस्ट जहाँ से आपको क्वेश्चंस चाहिए. So a specific interest that might lead them to ask a question that you are prepared for. ठीक है, इसके फिर यहाँ से आपका सबका इंटरव्यू अलग अलग डायरेक्शंस में चला जाएगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, मे बी वाई टीचिंग and why Haryana. So with your credentials, why have you chosen the teaching profession, or why do you want to work in Haryana Higher Education Department? So connect your passion for literature with social impact of teaching in a state like Haryana, and you can mention your desire to contribute to the academic standards of the state's rural and urban colleges, right? Third thing that is likely to be asked is your research or specialization bridge. For those who are enrolled in PhD or you've done your PhD, of course you will talk about your specialization. Those who have not may talk about any future plans for your research. So what was your, maybe if you have done a dissertation in your masters, so what was the topic of your master's dissertation, or which specific era of literature do you consider your strength? ठीक है, so here you have to be very honest. You have to tell them what age you have prepared very nicely. You are prepared to answer the questions very well. So if you say, let's say, romantic poetry, they will immediately ask you from Keats or Shelley, or maybe if they go deeper into philosophy, something else. So only claim an area that you have revised thoroughly. Although it's not likely that they will ask anything about HPSC ka awareness or current affairs, but still, what is your opinion on the new education policy? ये ज़रूर आप एक बार check कर लो, NEP 2020 regarding language teaching. So are you aware of any recent literary festivals or cultural events held in Haryana? Who is the current education minister of Haryana? ये छोटी सी चीज़ें हैं. It's good to be aware, right? Nothing bad will happen if you're aware. So ये कुछ आपकी hobbies, of course. Tell about your, if asked, if they're in a very light mood, your interview might go towards your hobbies then, right? For example, besides reading, what do you do in your free time? So a well-rounded personality often leads to questions on sports or music, and then be ready to answer that also. Baki, maybe your strengths. What is one quality you have that will make you a good professor? So you can talk about certain soft skills like patience, empathy, or public speaking. After this, let us also look at certain intellectually stimulating questions or conceptual questions. Now, these are not likely to be asked to everyone, but we can still revise. For example, what in your view is the relevance of studying English literature in a multilingual Indian classroom today? Or do you think literary theory has enriched the reading of texts or overcomplicated it? Always give examples. How would you explain the difference between canon expansion and canon destabilization? Now, these are the certain questions that I had made my learners prepare for when I asked these questions who were enrolled in my batch. You can also go through certain questions like these. Then certain subject based questions, or we can say core English literature questions, like what are the major shifts from XYZ age to the next age. Let's say Victorian to modern literature में major shifts क्या हैं. Why is romanticism considered a revolutionary movement in literature? Or how would you explain the concept of dramatic monologue with reference to Browning? Or can you briefly discuss the evolution of English novel? Can you briefly discuss the evolution of English drama? Certain questions like that. How would you introduce Renaissance drama to undergraduate students with no historical background? Now, when you are asked to introduce certain topics to a class of undergraduate students, remember to keep it extremely simple for them. ठीक है? And then of course teaching डेमो टीचिंग आपसे करवाया जा सकता है. हो सकता है किसी से करवाएं, किसी से ना करवाएं. ये भी हो सकता है कि आपको पूछें कि विच टॉपिक वुड यू लाइक टू टीच, तो वो आप अपनी पसंद का पढ़ा सकते हैं. ये भी हो सकता है कि वो इम्प्रॉम्प्टू वहीं पे आपको टॉपिक दे दें और आपको उससे पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. इसके अलावा सर्टन टीचिंग ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो यू कैन think about the answers to. For example, how will you handle a classroom with a mixed level of linguistic competence, right? Or how would you teach a difficult theoretical concept like deconstruction to undergraduates? Then how do you access critical thinking rather than rote learning? Do you believe lectures are still effective, or should teaching be fully student oriented? So these are certain teaching oriented or pedagogical questions. How would you design a lesson plan on a poem in a 45-minute class? तो lesson plan कैसे बनाओगे अगर आपको एक poem पढ़ानी है 45 minutes की class में? Research based questions. What is your area of research and why did you choose it? How does your research contribute to existing scholarship? How would you guide undergraduate students in research writing? इस तरह के रिसर्च बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. कुछ लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स पे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, जैसे कि हाउ हैज़ डिजिटल ह्यूमैनिटीज़ चेंज्ड लिटरेरी स्टडीज़, और how do gender studies and queer theory reshape our reading of canonical texts? What role does literature play in the age of social media and AI generated content? What do you think is the impact of AI on creative writing? Like, is the English classroom becoming more political? Should it be? So questions on these latest trends, or from Dalit literature, translation studies, memory studies, trauma studies, etc. And then certain opinion based questions. For example, what kind of teacher do you aspire to be? What is, it's your opinion. It's different for everybody. Which book has influenced you most as a teacher or as a scholar? If selected, what changes would you like to bring to the curriculum? Or what kind of teaching style would you like to adapt in a rural college in Haryana? So these are certain general questions which could be asked, and you have to be prepared to answer all of these. I hope that you've prepared really well. I'm sure you have. And just be confident, just be very natural. Don't try to pretend anything that you're not. Don't try to act over smart. Be very humble. It's very, very important कि आपको इस तरह से पेश आना है कि आप छोटे हो और वो लोग वहाँ बैठे हैं वो बहुत बड़े हैं आपसे, एक्सपीरियंस में भी और एज में भी. तो यू हैव टू बी एक्सट्रीमली very, 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 very humble with them. Don't enter without permission. Always seek permission. जब आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं अंदर, तो आपने परमिशन लेना है, ठीक है, जाने से पहले. और ग्रीट करना है सबको. सबको इंडिविजुअली करो या जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगे आप वैसे कर सकते हो. While it's an English interview, if a member asks a general question in Hindi, it is usually acceptable to respond in the language asked. अगर by chance हिंदी में कोई question आ जाता है तो आप भी हिंदी में आंसर कर सकते हो. Or stick to English if you feel more professional. Just maintain a very polite tone. Dress up nicely and neatly. Don't overdo anything. A very simple and a decent dress, whatever you are wearing, and neat and clean hair. If you're tying, then of course neatly. If they're open, then also it should be it should not be messy, thoda clean. For boys also, pant and shirt properly tucked in to look more professional, and hair properly trimmed. Please don't go with the messy hair. And yes, that's it. If you wish to ask me anything, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.